Are you or someone you know thinking about the exciting journey to college? Well, we've got some great news for you. The NACAC College Fair is coming to town on Tuesday, September 26th at the Baltimore Convention Center. We invite all families to attend from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. or 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. It's the perfect opportunity for you and your family to meet college representatives, attend incredible workshops, and learn all about the college application process. There will be some informative workshops on financial aid, finding the perfect college fit, resume building, mental health and stress management, study skills, time management, career exploration, and internship opportunities. There will be over 300 colleges and universities on site to chat with students and families, answering all your burning questions about college life and expectations. This event is free to families, but registration is required to attend. Please visit the website below to register by September 22nd and join us as we continue to build a generation.